Monopoly Discover Level 2, How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most money once the first player goes bankrupt. Lay out the green Level 2 side of the board and give each player 15 money. The rest of the money is the bank. Pick a player to be the banker, who manages the bank's money and title deed cards, but they must keep them separate from their own. Each player picks a token and places it on go, then takes the matching sold signs and flips them green side up. Shuffle the green chance deck and place it on its matching spot on the board. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, then move that many spaces clockwise around the board. If you land on an unowned property, pay the price indicated on the board, then place your sold sign on the space and take the title deed card from the bank. If you land on a property that another player owns, as indicated by their sold sign, then you must pay them the amount indicated on their title deed card. If they own both properties in the same color, then you pay them the increased price. If you land on chance, then draw the top card of the chance deck and do what it says. Then put it at the bottom of the deck. When you land on or pass go, collect 2 money from the bank. If you land on go to timeout, then you must move to the in timeout space and you do not collect 2 money for passing go. On your next turn, you need to pay 1 money to be released from timeout. If you land on the in timeout space at another time, then you aren't in timeout, but instead just visiting and nothing happens. Free parking does not do anything either. If ever you don't have enough money to pay someone, then you are bankrupt. Give that player all that you have and the game ends. The player with the most money wins. If it is a tie, then the tied player with the most properties wins.